AI automation is a great solution if you're looking for a way to bring in some extra income, but you have a busy life. So, ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva is your solution. Now, this shop is an example of what using these three platforms can do. This is a recipe shop on Etsy. So they sell recipes, and the way they do this is you ask ChatGPT to come up with a recipe. I mean, something like mini strawberry cheesecakes, for example. Then you ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt to put in Midjourney so you can actually get pictures of what this dessert would look like. Then you ask ChatGPT to give you a format of this recipe that you can then plug into Canva, and then you make a file, make it look pretty, make a file using the pictures from Midjourney plus the recipe, and then you plug that into Etsy if you want to make an Etsy shop, and then you sell that recipe, and you just do this over and over again. And if you really want to get fancy, ChatGPT has something called operation. So that operation will actually do all of these things for you. You literally just put your prompt in the operation, ChatGPT operation, and it will actually go into each platform, prompt it, and it will do everything for you. But that is like $200 for ChatGPT operation, which if you're just starting out, I don't think it's worth it. You just do it yourself. Let's get into this video.
Want to start a profitable business without doing all the heavy lifting yourself? With ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva, you can build an automated income stream using nothing but your creativity and AI tools. First up, launch your own recipe ebook shop on Etsy. Use ChatGPT to create unique or themed recipes. Think keto desserts, one-pot vegan meals, or global cuisine. Then head over to Midjourney to generate eye-catching food images. Use Canva to design professional recipe cards or bundle them into digital cookbooks ready for sale. Next, write your own books using AI. ChatGPT can help you draft full children's stories, self-help guides, or educational content. Use Canva to format the book pages and covers, or bring Midjourney in to create beautiful illustrated characters for kids' books. You can sell these on Amazon KDP or Etsy. Here's another idea: think outside the box with digital bath and body care recipes. Use ChatGPT to craft easy DIY formulas for soaps, bath bombs, or sugar scrubs. Then use Canva to create printable guides, checklists, or mini ebooks. Midjourney can add aesthetic, space-style images to match your branding. Sell these as digital downloads on Etsy. Or use AI to turn what you know into sellable guides, templates, checklists, and printables. Canva makes it easy to format and brand everything. Whether it's budgeting guides, travel planners, or startup checklists, this business can run on autopilot. Want a more visual business? Use Midjourney to generate art from minimalist line drawings to fantasy landscapes or even pets dressed as royalty. Add text or quotes in Canva format for different print sizes and sell as instant downloads or physical prints. This is a great niche for Etsy and Shopify. To recap, all 5 of these businesses can be built with a laptop, an internet connection, and a few AI tools. Most are hands-off once you set them up, and you can scale them as big as you want. Ready to start your AI-powered side hustle? Drop a comment saying AI hustle and let me know which business you're trying first. Like, subscribe, and check the description for bonus tools and resources.